Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahura Firdaus. I am from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Today our topic is Introduction of Kingdom Plenty. इससे पहले वाले लेक्चर में हमने देखा था आउटलाइन क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ किंगडम प्लेंटी, प्लांट किंगडम, क्रिप्टोगैम्स को फर्दर डिवाइड किया गया है लोअर क्रिप्टोगैम एंड हायर क्रिप्टोगैम में। लोअर क्रिप्टोगैम में इंक्लूडेड है algae, fungi एंड लाइकेन। एंड हायर क्रिप्टोगैम में दो क्लासेस है, ब्रायोफाइट्स एंड टेरिडोफाइट्स। ब्रायोफाइट्स में जो प्लांट बॉडी रहती है वो गैमेटोफाइट रहती है, माइक्रोस्कोप और ग्रीन कलर की रहती है। ये थायलॉइड भी हो सकते हैं, फ्लैट और फोलियोज अपराइट भी हो सकते हैं। थायलॉइड में लिवर वर्ड्स आते हैं और हॉर्न वर्ड्स आते हैं, और अपराइट में मॉसेस इंक्लूडेड है। इसमें रूट्स जो है वो एब्सेंट रहती है, लेकिन जो राइजोइड्स हैं वो प्रेजेंट रहते हैं। They include approximately 960 genera and about 24,000 species. The bryophytes generally grow in shady and moist places such as moist walls, damp rocks, moist soil, and on decaying logs. They show either thalloid or leafy plant body. In bryophytes, true roots are absent, but rhizoids are present. Rhizoids are unicellular in liverworts, while multicellular in mosses. They absorb water and minerals and also helps in fixation of thallus to the substratum. The vascular tissues are absent. However, a conducting strands of few thick-walled cells is present in mosses. The bryophytes show heteromorphic alternation of generation, in which the gametophyte is the dominant, green, haploid and independent phase, while sporophyte is diploid, recessive and partially dependent on gametophyte. Bryophytes reproduce by vegetative means, by special structures like tubers and gymma, while asexual reproduction takes place by spore formation. Sexual reproduction occurs by formation of gametes. The bryophytes are divided into two groups, liverworts and mosses. Liverworts. These are lower member of Bryophyta which possess prostrate plant body. They are found in moist shady places. The thallus is dorsiventral, prostrate and with unicellular rhizoids. Some liverworts have stem-like axis and leaf-like appendages. They reproduce vegetatively either by fragmentation or by formation of small green cup-like buds called gemi. Each gemma develops into a young plant on detachment. Sexual reproduction occurs by formation of male and female sex organs born on the same or different plants. After fertilization, there is a formation of diploid sporophyte, either sporogonium. It contains haploid spores produced by meiosis, which and uh, germination produce haploid young plants on gametophytes. Second है mosses. These are higher members of Bryophyta which possess erect plant body. The gametophyte phase of the life cycle includes two stages, namely protonema stage and leafy stage. The protonema is prostrate, green, branched and filamentous. It is also called juvenile gametophyte. It bears many buds and the leafy stage is produced from each bud. Thus, protonema helps in vegetative propagation. The leaf stage has erect, cylinder, main axis and a branch, stem-like, bearing spiral leaf-like structures. It is fixed in soil by multicellular branched rhizoids. During sexual reproduction, Antheridia and Archegonia are produced as sex organs in clusters at the tip of stem-like axis. The clusters of sex organs are concealed by a whorl of leafy appendages. The zygote gives rise to a well-developed sporophyte with foot, seta and capsule. The haploid spores formed by meiosis are released by dehiscence of capsules. Life cycles show डिस्टिंक्ट अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन। इसके एग्जाम्पल्स है रिक्सिया, एंथोसेरोस, फ्यूनेरिया, मार्केंशिया, स्फेग्नम। Second group is pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are highly developed cryptogams, have conducting tissue. That's why they are known as vascular cryptogams. The pteridophytes were the first vascular plants on the land and are hence considered as the first successful terrestrial plants with true roots, stem and leaves. The group has about 400 genera and 10,500 species. The plants consist of pinnate leaves. The pteridophytes are also known as vascular cryptogams. These plants have a primitive conducting tissue and they are the only cryptogams with vascular tissue. They do not produce flowers, fruits and seeds. The late Paleozoic era is regarded as the age of pteridophytes. The pteridophytes are terrestrial, small, either annual or perennial, and grow in moist or shady places. They may be aquatic, xerophytic, or epiphytic, growing on large trunks of trees. The pteridophytes show heteromorphic alternation of generation in which the sporophyte is diploid, dominant, autotrophic, independent, and is differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. The primary root is short-lived and it's soon replaced by adventitious roots, while the stem may be aerial or underground. The leaves may be scaly, simple or sessile, or large and pinnately compound. In pteridophytes, the xylem consists of only tracheids and phloem consists of sieve cells only. Secondary growth is not seen in pteridophytes due to absence of cambium. The sporophytes show asexual reproduction and produce spores by meiosis, from which the gametophyte develops. Gametophyte is haploid, recessive but independent, and reproduces asexually. Product of sexual reproduction, either zygotes produces diploid sporophyte. Pteridophytes are of two types. Some are heterosporous, producing two different types of spores, small microspores and large megaspores, while many are homosporous, producing only one type of spores. Spores are produced in special multicellular structures called sporangia. The pteridophytes, apart from normal way of reproduction, also sometimes show following methods. First है apogamy. It is development of the sporophyte without the fusion of the male and female gametes. It arises directly from the gametophyte. Here the sporophyte is haploid. Second है apospory. It is the development of gametophyte from any cell of the sporophyte other than the spores, such as gametophyte is diploid in nature. गैमेटोफाइटिक फेज जो रहेगी वो इंडिपेंडेंट रहेगी. स्पोरोफाइटिक फेज इज डोमिनेंट. शो अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन. इसके एग्जाम्पल है साइलोटम, लाइकोपोडियम, सिलेजिनेला, मार्सेलिया, एडेंटम एंड नेफ्रोलिपिस.